Hi, and welcome back to MyExcelOnline.com. Today we are going to show you how to set a different language for doing spell check in Microsoft PowerPoint. Also, we will have some additional training options for you at the end of this video, so stick around for that. So let's say I've created a slideshow right here on Salvador Dali, and I have decided that I'm going to have some Spanish text on here. So in order to spell check in Spanish other than English, I'm going to select this text box, go up to Review, go over here under Language, and go to Set Proofing Language. And I want to make sure that Spanish has in fact been selected out of this list. And in this case, it already has, because PowerPoint is smart enough to detect that what I've pasted in here is Spanish. But had Spanish not appeared at the top, I could just scroll down to the S's and select it there. So I'm going to say OK. If you are liking this video, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell button to get notified when we release our weekly videos. And now if I hit F7, I can see that my spell check is beginning. So in this case, I'm going to ignore, but right here, I can see that I have spelled Mayo wrong. So I'm just going to select the right change and then click the change button. And then I can see that my spell check is complete. So we go over more info on how to change the language and do spell checking in other languages out on our blog. And I'm going to include a link to that blog entry in the description below on YouTube if you would like to go there and learn more. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them for us and we'll get back to you. Thanks for watching, and see you again next time. If you want to learn more about Microsoft Excel and Office, join our Academy online course and access more than 1,000 video training tutorials so that you can advance your level and get the promotions, pay raises, or new jobs. The link to join our Academy online course is in the description.
If you like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel. And if you're really serious about advancing your Microsoft Excel skills so you can stand out from the crowd and get the jobs, promotions and pay rises that you deserve, then click up here and join our Academy online course today.